Atom Credit Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been hearing the buzz about the Atom Credit Card and wondering whether it's worth your time in 2025, you're not alone. With so many credit cards promising rewards, cashback, or flexible payments, it can be overwhelming to figure out which card truly delivers value. Today, we're going to break down the Atom Credit Card from top to bottom, covering rewards, perks, fees, real-world usage, and who actually benefits from it. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the buy now, pay later promise, but here's why the full picture matters. First, let's start with the basics of the Atom Credit Card Atom is a fintech company that became popular for its buy now, pay later BNPL solutions. The Atom Credit Card combines traditional credit card functionality with BNPL flexibility, making it unique in the 2025 market. Essentially, it allows users to make purchases anywhere MasterCard or Visa is accepted while offering flexible payment schedules for installments. This means you can shop both online and in store, splitting your payments without worrying about interest if you stick to the schedule. The most important feature of the Atom Credit Card is its payment flexibility Unlike traditional credit cards where your entire statement balance is due each month, the Atom Card lets you split purchases into multiple installments typically 3 equal payments. For example, if you buy a $300 item, you can pay $100 today, $100 in the next month, and the final $100 the month after. This approach can help manage cash flow, particularly for larger purchases, and is especially popular among younger adults or anyone managing tight budgets. You won't believe how much easier it is to make larger purchases without incurring high interest charges. Most people underestimate this advantage. But how does the reward system work? The Atom Credit Card offers cashback or points on purchases though the exact rate depends on the region and promotion. Typically, users can earn 1% to 3% cashback on everyday spending, with higher rates for select categories like online shopping, groceries, and lifestyle subscriptions. Some versions also offer bonus points for paying in full BS installments incentivizing responsible usage. The surprising truth is that combining cashback rewards with flexible payments can sometimes outperform traditional rewards cards if used strategically. Next, let's discuss fees and interest rates One of the key advantages of Atom is its no interest installment option as long as you pay on time. That means splitting a $500 purchase into 3 payments doesn't cost extra, which is very different from traditional credit cards that charge interest immediately. However, if a payment is missed, late fees and interest may apply and these can be significant. The card may also have annual fees or monthly service charges depending on the market. For example, some regions offer a $30 annual fee which can be offset easily if you use the card frequently and take advantage of rewards and promotions. Most people get this wrong by assuming no interest means no cost, but it's crucial to pay on time to avoid fees. Let's explore real-world usability The Atom Credit Card works at millions of merchants worldwide where MasterCard or Visa is accepted. You can shop online or in store, use contactless payments, and manage your installments via the Atom app. The app also tracks your spending, payment schedule, and rewards, giving you full control and transparency. For frequent online shoppers or those who like to plan monthly budgets, this level of visibility is invaluable. You won't believe how much stress is reduced when you see all upcoming installments and rewards in one place. Key perk of the Atom Credit Card is its BNPL partnerships Certain merchants, especially fashion retailers, electronics stores, and lifestyle brands, may offer exclusive discounts or promotions when using Atom installments. For example, you might get an extra 5% off when choosing 3-month installments at a partner store. This is a compelling incentive for shoppers who already plan to buy those items. Many people overlook this, but these deals can add up to significant savings over a year. Credit building potential is another important factor. Like traditional credit cards, the Atom Credit Card reports to credit bureaus which can help improve your credit score if you pay on time. This makes it a good choice for younger adults or first-time credit users who want to establish a credit history. By making on-time payments and keeping your utilization low, you can improve your credit profile while enjoying the card's unique benefits. Most people underestimate how much a BNPL-enabled credit card can help with credit building when used responsibly. Now, let's look at pros and cons for 2025. Pros: flexible BNPL payment option without interest if paid on time, cashback or points rewards for everyday spending, works anywhere, MasterCard/Visa is accepted, exclusive merchant deals and promotions, credit building potential for responsible users, mobile app for tracking spending and installments. Cons: fees and interest apply if payments are missed. Annual or service fees may apply depending on region. Rewards may be lower than premium travel or cashback cards. Requires discipline to avoid late fees. To see the value in practice, imagine this scenario. You plan a $600 electronics purchase. Using Atom, you split it into 3 payments of $200. At the same time, you earn *3% cashback totaling $18. That $18 offsets some of the cost, and you spread payments over 3 months without paying interest. Compared to using a traditional credit card with an 18% APR, this could save you over $25 in interest alone, making it a smarter option if managed correctly. You won't believe how much difference a simple installment plan can make on your monthly budget. So, who is the Atom credit card best for ? It's ideal for young adults or first-time credit card users, people who make occasional large purchases and want to spread payments, online shoppers who want flexible payment options, those looking to build or improve credit responsibly. It may be less suitable for people who struggle to pay on time, those who prefer high-tier rewards programs for travel or luxury purchases, users who want a completely fee-free experience without any risk of late charges. In conclusion, the Atom credit card in 2025 offers a unique blend of traditional credit card features and BNPL flexibility. When used responsibly, it can help manage cash flow, earn rewards, and even improve your credit score. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on installments or rewards, but the card's true value lies in combining flexibility, rewards, and credit building benefits. If you're looking for a card that adapts to modern shopping habits and offers a smart way to pay, Atom is worth considering. If this review helped you understand the Atom credit card better, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. We'll keep bringing you in-depth credit card reviews, travel rewards insights, and financial tips to make your money work smarter in 2025 and beyond.